about the page navigator. So I just go to insert, then button, then navigator and page navigator. Yeah. So now it creates automatically two page button because I have only two page. If it's three, then it should automatically create three button. If I want to go to page one, then simply control plus click. Yeah, it will take me in page one. If I have a more page, then automatically it creates more button. So not by manually I have to like for like this. Not manually I have to do make a button and then action and everything. It will automatically create. Then here page navigator. Now here page one. No need to do this. Simply go to button navigator and page navigator. It will create automatically page.